Hey guys, it's Jason at Kaiser Willys, and that was the first attempt of us firing up the CJ-2A. So what you have here, this is an aftermarket point style distributor. We had a lot of backfiring. We couldn't get it to fire off. We knew that we had our timing set properly. We knew that we had power coming from the coil, and we knew we had the spark plug set at the right gap. Everything was proper. What you may find is you actually are 180 degrees out. It's real simple to fix, so all you have to do is just rearrange your spark plug cables, and then you'll put number 1 where number 4 goes, and then go into sequence, back around, and then you can go ahead and try to start it back up again. So we're going to go ahead and try this one more time with the cables being adjusted and nothing else. Here we go.